Today, we are taking you on a shopping adventure to one of Japan's most fantastic retail destinations, Rinku Premium Outlet in Osaka. In this video, we'll share some tips on how to save both money and time when you're shopping at Rinku Premium Outlet. So let's jump right into this shopping adventure. Rinku Premium Outlet happens to be the biggest shopping park in Osaka Prefecture. You'll find a ton of brands there, making it the ultimate shopping destination. A lot of folks actually include it in their travel plans, either to stock up before their flight or to snag some last-minute goodies. Plus, it's super convenient for those flying in or out of Kansai Airport since it's just one quick stop away. The issue here is figuring out what to do with your luggage when you want to shop without any worries. There are numerous luggage lockers at Rinku Town Station, and their pricing ranges from 400 to 600 yen, depending on the size. They're much cheaper than using the lockers at the outlet. However, we've got an even more cost-effective option to share with you. We recommend putting your luggage in the storage store within the station. As soon as you exit the station and take a left turn, you'll find a store called JLS right next to the restroom. This should be the most budget-friendly choice at Rinku Town Station. The storage fee for one piece of luggage is only 300 yen, regardless of its size, and they're open until 8 p.m. The second money-saving tip is to make sure you have your passport with you. You can enjoy tax-free shopping when you spend over 5,000 yen in one store on the same day, but the important thing is you need to show your passport when you're at the checkout. A lot of folks might mistake Rinku Pleasure Town Seacle for the Rinku Premium Outlet as soon as they hop off the train. If you're just here for the outlet, don't linger in this shopping mall. However, if you're looking to shop for kids' clothes, grab a bite to eat, pick up some snacks, skincare products, or stationery, then plan some extra time to explore Rinku Pleasure Town Seacle. After you've explored Rinku Pleasure Town Seacle, head up to the second floor bridge. As you walk towards the end of McDonald's, you'll be able to spot the Rinku Premium Outlet. This outlet is split into two sections, main side and seaside, boasting a total of 250 stores. If you visit during the summer months of July and August or in the winter during January, you can take advantage of additional discounts and amazing sales. Rinku Premium Outlet also offers various special deals for foreign tourists. When you visit, stop by the information center on the first floor. You can use your mobile phone to scan a code and receive coupons. Some stores even offer an extra 5% discount at checkout when you do this. Rinku Premium Outlet has so many stores, but the one that's usually packed is that Coach store where they sell those out of season items. The 50% discount at Coach is a permanent thing, and on top of that, they give you an extra 30% off the regular price. And as I mentioned before, if you show your foreign passport at the checkout, they make it tax-free for you when you've spent more than 5,000 yen. Rinku Premium Outlet offers package tickets that include the Nankai Railway. You can easily order them online, and as a bonus, you'll receive a 1,000 yen discount coupon to use at the outlet. If you want more details, feel free to check out my previous video. Now, let's discuss how to get there. If you decide to go by car, you'll get 3 hours of free parking if you spend over 2,000 yen at the same store. If you spend more than 50,000 yen, you can enjoy free parking for the entire day. If you're coming from Kansai International Airport to the outlet, you've got 3 options. You can take their Kansai Airport Rapid, the Nankai Airport Limited Express, or the Nankai Airport Express for just one stop. Get off at Rinku Town Station, and it's about a 10-minute walk from there. The one-way fare for this ride is 370 yen. If you're heading from downtown Osaka to the outlet, you have the option of catching the JR Kansai Airport Rapid. You can board it at JR Osaka Station, some of the stations on JR Osaka Loop Line or JR Tenerji Station, and the fare ranges from 840 yen to 1020 yen if you're making your way to the outlet from Namba Station. You can hop on the Nankai Airport Line Limited Express or the Nankai Airport Express. The cost for this ride varies from 780 yen to 1,300 yen. If you're interested in learning how to use the travel passes to cut down on transportation costs in Osaka, Kyoto, and Kobe, make sure to watch this video. Catch you at the next exciting spot!